Okay, guys, we're just in time prepping. As you can see, we're getting ready to make another multi-tool sheath. Getting everything laid out. And as I go on, you guys will get to see what we're doing. So I'm going to let you go for a minute, and then I'll be back when I get some stuff started up here. Hold on. Hey, got the clamps on the light to get it shaped to it. I got everything is starting to dry. You can see these are the pliers that are going to be, the Leathermans that are going to be put in it. You can see that light there. That's I liked it so well I bought me one too. So the glue to glue the parts together, and then there's that thread to lace it all up. So as we get going farther along, I'm going to keep showing you what we're doing here. Not the loud part where you're banging on everything, or the boring part where you're lacing it all together, but basically all the things in between. You can see and my new knife over there, it's my next project, so we have plenty to do here. I'll be back. Okay, back we come. Okay, I've been busy tooling the leather. As you can see right here and right here, it's damp. That's what you have to do before you tool it. This over here was damp, but it's starting to dry out a little bit, and when I get it wrapped around the flashlight, then it will look pretty darn good. And so, as you can see, I was using this tool here. I was also using this tool here, and those little bitty seed holes, I used this tool. Maybe I can get it a little closer. But these are the kind of tools that you use to tool the leather so that the design that you put in there lasts forever. But anyway, as you can see, we're coming along with it. It's starting to take shape, but now we gotta wait for the leather to dry so it can all be stitched together, glued and stitched together, I should say. So it's coming along. I'll see you when I get some more stuff done on it. Okay guys, a little bit of an update so you can see how it's going. Getting everything formed up so I can get it all stitched up. This one here is going out to a customer, so I want to make sure that it is perfect. So I'm just sort of taking my time, getting all the pieces glued together, hold everything in place so that the stitching will be the final fastener, and it'll be ready to slip into the mail. So I'll be back as soon as I get some more stuff done. Thanks for being patient. Okay guys, it's all stitched up, and I'm waiting for it to dry because I had to wet the leather so it would form to the tools that are in there. And as soon as it dries, I will dye it. Let you see the finished product. Catch you soon.